All right, so let's do some examples here from the book. So here we're taking taking a negative 14 plus a negative 6. So here we have same signs. And so with the same signs, what we can do is we can add the numbers together. 14 plus 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1. That's 2. And so we get 20 as our magnitude, but we have the opposite of that. So we have a negative that was on both of them. So we have to keep that negative in our final answer. What about this one? This one comes down to opposite signs. So again, what we can do is we can take the larger minus the smaller. So if we look at this, 14, absolute value of negative 9 is 9. So if we take 14 minus 9, so 9 and a 5, I should say, I don't know what I was thinking about here, is 5. And so 14 minus 9 is 5. Our larger one is positive, so that just gives us a 5. Okay. All right, so here we have a negative 8 plus 2. So again, the larger one is going to be the 8. Subtract off the 2 because they're opposite. 8 minus 2 is 6. And the larger one has a negative on it, so that's actually a negative 6. All right, here we're back to like signs, same ones. And so what we can do is we can just add their magnitudes. We can take 8 plus 7, and we get 15, but we have to keep the same sign, and so it's a negative 15, okay? All right, so that gives us those values. Now what we want to do is we want to do our additive inverse. And so basically we want to find out what do we add to this to get to 0, okay? So we want to add the opposite. So the additive inverse is going to be the opposite of that, so that's going to be 16. And the additive inverse of this is going to be the opposite of this, so that's going to be a negative 34. And so those are going to be your additive inverses. And I'll stop with that and then come back with some more.